Hello. Hello. This video is brought to you by the coffee supporters. Thank you, coffee supporters. I just made a video about videography, slow motion, GIF, yeah, you know, to spice up your portfolio. You can watch it up here. In this video, I will do something I forgot to do in the previous video, in this one. I forgot to mention the background. I would like to add that. So, but it will be boring to do exactly the same shoot with this red raspberry soda. Super sweet. We will do beer this time, I think. I haven't tried it, so this will be the first time. But we will use the same glass, but I will pour the beer, and I changed the camera a bit this time. I'm using the macro lens, the 100mm macro lens with the Canon R5C camera connected via HDMI to that monitor, so you will see what's going on. So I'm extremely close this time. So this will be this cool close-up slow motion beer shot. You see, quite close up. And I will turn on a light so you will see a bit better. I'll turn on this strip I have on this side. You see, we have a very dark brownish background, and that's this beige paper over there. So I have a separate LED that we can turn on for the background. Very soft beige tone. You can just light up a color paper, of course, or that's a good thing with LEDs. You can, some of them have this RGB mode. You know, you have this effects. So if you want to pour a beer and make a video that you are pouring it in like in a club, disco mode, you can do that, you know, but this will look maybe a bit cheesy. So 5600 Kelvin. Okay, here we have some beer, Norrlands Guld. First, I want to make sure I have the right settings. Full frame, slow and fast motion. We are filming in 120 frames per second, 10-bit, 4K. Oh, I forgot to turn on this guy. There's always something, you know. We need to have diffusion on this one, because like in the other video, the rim light will be very... So we need to smoothen it out with a diffusion. Now we have the side light through diffusion, we have a backlight with diffusion, and then we have a third LED to lighten up the background. So let's pour again. Rec. Oh my God. Yes, what you see there in the glass, that's the background, of course. It's a bit rough. Probably should have turned it the other way around so we get a bit bigger, or we could go closer. If I take this off, you should place it here. You see, the glass will look so much nicer now. And then we put the light, because back here we get this black streaks there. But it's a look. If you're aware, then it's not a mistake, you know. But this will be interesting to see in slow motion how it will look. I hope this was inspiring, and you can try out video, because you need to spice up your portfolios, you know, with some motion. So remember, I will see you next time.